Today I'm going to do a really short review on the Viltrox 20mm f2.8 lens. We're mainly focusing on the barrel distortion and the bad sides of the lens. TLDR, barrel distortion makes the lens unusable at the corners until around f11 to f16. The only other way to fix such severe barrel distortion is to capture two photos. One focused on the middle and one focused on the corners, then focus stack both. For testing for vignetting, I took a photo of the sky at f2.8. As you can see, the corners are pretty dark. Overall, despite the barrel distortion and vignetting, I still believe the lens is worth it for the price of under $200. Just maybe remember to shoot at f16 when capturing landscapes. However, keep in mind that this might impact sharpness due to the effects of diffraction. Well, that's all from me. I'll leave the test charts here for you to evaluate. Bye bye.